Hi, I'm Stephanie, lead complementary therapist with Cancer Support Scotland. Today I'm going to be talking you through a face and scalp massage that you can do at home. So most people hold a lot of tension in their face and their scalps. When we're stressed, when we're tired, or even just when we're concentrating, we can tense our jaw, our forehead, and we can even scrunch up our eyes. So a few minutes face massage every day or a couple of times a week will really make a big difference to this. It improves your blood circulation, it kickstarts your lymphatic drainage system, and it will help relax those tense tight muscles in your face as well. So I know myself, my skin has been suffering recently just due to either lack of sunlight, a little bit of dehydration from maybe a few extra glasses of wine at the weekend, or binge eating and junk food eating, a bit more chocolate, so I'm suffering from some breakouts as well. So facial massage will help with this. It'll help to kickstart the lymphatic drainage system, like I said, and help to remove any toxins, kind of puffiness, extra fluid from your face as well. So just before we start, if you are a person affected by cancer and you're suffering from any lymphedema up round about your neck, your shoulder area, or you have any lymphoma lumps in your neck or your scalp, just next time you're talking to your cancer care team or your lymphedema nurse, just to double check that facial massage, scalp massage is right and safe for you before you do this video. Alright, let's get started. So before you start your facial massage, you want to cleanse your face, maybe remove any earrings and tie up your hair so that you can get in at the back of your neck as well. And remember to wash your hands before you start. So you can use any massage oils, facial oil, creams that you have lying about the house. Today I'm using coconut oil. So just rubbing that into my hands, melting it, heating it up. And then just generally applying it all over the face, making sure I've covered all the areas, back of the neck, tops of the shoulders, because we're going to include them today as well. And then just starting at the back of the neck, using tops of my fingers, small circular motions, just on both sides of the neck, working all the way up into the hairline. You can do this a few times. Nice to relieve tension and stress that's maybe built up from being on the computer all day or working from home. And then you can move over onto the tops of the shoulders, where it can be quite tense and tight, and just using the pads of your fingers and circular motions around about this area. Same on the other side. You can use quite a firm pressure here just to relieve any tension or stress. And then using sweeping motions up the neck and onto the face. And I'm going to start on the face on a pressure point in between your two eyebrows, which is called your third eye. In acupressure it's called the Hall of Impression point, and it's said to help with anxiety and stress. So you want to use small circular motions in this area, going one way and then the other. And then you can extend these circular motions out over your forehead. This area can get especially tense and tight when we're stressed or anxious. So just using a firm but gentle pressure from the middle out to the sides of the face. You can do this a few times. And then always just draining out, using a draining motion from the centre out to the side of the face. So we've kick-started the lymphatic drainage in that area, so we want to help drain it out. And then from here you can move down onto the temples. And again, just small circular motions in this area. Relieving any stress or tension that you can feel. And then from here we can move over to the eyebrows. So we're going to use a pinching motion on the eyebrows. So just pinching underneath and on top, releasing, pinching again, releasing, pinching all the way along to the side of your eye. You can do that a few times and then just making sure you drain that out from the centre down the side. And then from here you can move to underneath the eye. So applying pressure to the bony part just underneath your eye that runs along here. So pressing down, release, move slightly, press down, release, move slightly, press down, release, move slightly. So it's important while you're doing this to press down and then release and not press down and drag, just because the skin under your eye is so delicate. So working all the way along, and then again just draining that out from the centre to the side of your eyes. And then from here, move to the side of the nose. Small circular motions in this area. This is quite good if you've had any congestion or sinus problems like allergies or hay fever. And then using your thumb to hook underneath your cheekbones. So again, pressing, hold, release, press, hold, release. Working all the way along underneath your cheekbones, right along to your ears. And again, you can do this a few times. And then from here, just using your fingertips again, small circular motions, just in where your jaw meets at the side of your cheeks. This area can get really tense, especially if you're clenching your jaw or grinding your teeth at night. So it's really nice to work in this area just to relieve any tension or pain that you're having here. And then coming over to your top lip and just smoothing that out. So be extra careful in this area if you have any ulcers or loose teeth in your mouth. Just avoiding this area because that will be quite painful. And then moving down onto the chin. So small circular motions just over the chin and up the jawbone. This is an area that gets congested quite easily. Usually get quite a lot of spots in your chin area. So kick-starting the lymphatic drainage to flush out the waste and toxins in this area is very beneficial. And then you can also pinch along your jawline, so using your thumb and the side part of your finger, just placing your thumb underneath your jaw and your finger on your face. Pinch, release, move, pinch, release, move. Just doing this all the way along your jaw, right up to your ears. And you can do that a few times, and then just always remembering to drain out. You can either use your thumb and your fingers or your whole hand for this, right up to your ears. And then working on your ears, so just massaging your whole ear and using kind of smaller circular motions just over the lobe and then up and over your ear and round the back of your ear as well. This area is really good to massage if you've had a little bit of ear pain or congestion. And then from here you can move back down onto the neck again, using your small circular motions and back over the shoulders. And then to finish on the face, just gently tapping, just to increase the blood flow. So moving up into the scalp massage, you might want to use a little bit more oil for this. Mine's is a little bit oily because I've had a couple of goes at recording this video, but I've added a little bit more coconut oil to my hands. I'm just going to brush it through with my fingertips. And then I'm going to start just at the top of the head, doing small circular motions with my fingertips, working from the hairline round to the back of the scalp. I'm just covering every bit of your head, using enough pressure that not only your hair is moving but your scalp is moving also. So working from your hairline with your fingertips right to the base of your skull. And you can do that a few times and then just sliding your fingers in gently and giving your hair a gentle tug. This just stimulates blood flow and relieves tension. And again, that can be done a few times. And then going back to your small circular motion with your fingertips, working from the hairline right back to the base of your skull, making sure you cover the entire scalp. And you can do this a few times. And then just to finish, using your tapping again, just like you've done in your facial massage. Just to stimulate blood flow and help kickstart that lymphatic system again. So I'm going to leave that oil in my hair for a few hours, the coconut oil, just as a nice conditioning treatment. And then when I do go to shower it out later, I'm first of all going to put shampoo on my dry scalp, and that emulsifies the oil. And then I'm just going to shampoo like normal after that, and you'll find that the oil comes out so much easier. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and you'll give it a go at home, and please like and comment on it. Any questions you have for me, or also feel free to share it with anybody you think would benefit from it. Thanks for watching and take care.